So this is my Royal Enfield NIRVIK V2, the second riding jacket of mine. The first one is also Royal Enfield, which was in my other house. So yeah, to summarize guys, let me sum it up in a short video. One of the best quality jackets you could have owned. I purchased for like what, 14,000 rupees. Yeah, for 14,000 rupees. This is phenomenal bang for buck. Except one thing, I'll keep this video very short because yeah, sadly I'm returning this. The only issue I have, wait, I don't think I need to remove this. Let me remove these and show. Yeah, you see this, the ventilation itself is standards above guys, way above its leak, the price leak. You see the chest protector? Yeah, this is level 1 and this is the only object which I don't like. It's a Royal Enfield based chest armor, and yeah, you might see people put it like this, but actually you should pin it down inwards. I'll not do that now because I'm returning this product, so I need to keep it in a good condition. There is only one reason I'm returning this product, and that is, as much as I like this jacket, the fit is I think a size above, because mine is size L basically with jackets, but this is also size L, but it's kind of too long. So if you are a tall person, because I'm the kind of guy who has long inseam, yeah, my leg length is long, so fans I can prefer one size above, but my torso is short. So for me these kinds of jackets are not suitable. I mean, it is okay for my height, but the issue is street triples riding position is not so naked enough. It needs a little bit of lean in actually. I think I'll post a picture of me with the jacket. I think you can clearly understand that. Or I'll relate the video. And my other primary complaint why I immediately thought of returning is this reason, the stitching. You see this, when I'm riding, it's kind of, the jacket is like this, because this is an adventure jacket guys, so I did not expect any pre-curvature. There is also not much pre-curvature, but the stitching is kind of popping up, like half my mirror is popping up of this armor. So yeah, kind of, if you own an adventure, yeah, if I own a Himalayan or any bike, adventure bike, yeah, this will be the jacket I'll buy again. But as of now, no. I mean, that side is a little bit better, but look at this side. You see this bulge? It may seem little guys, but with a bike like Street Triple, when I'm using the bar and mirrors, every centimeter point of view is very important for me. Like I went for a group ride, so at least 1/4 of my mirrors are blocked due to this. This is my immediate return point. You may say, yeah, this is loose, but this is just stock setting. I almost completely tightened it for myself. I mean, yeah. But the rest of the armors, the shoulder armors are damn good. The elbow ones are not so comfortable. D3O, I never felt D3O to be as comfortable as other jackets I tried on when I'm deciding to purchase them. But sadly, I'm from a town, so when I go to Hyderabad, I'll check proper jackets. But then again, when I buy an adventure, this will be the jacket I'll buy it again, all over again. I mean, I'm damn impressed. I tested it for 2 days, and yeah, for city buyers, I don't know what reviewers may say to you. I will post a little clip. I will ridden it in absolute peak demonic traffic time, and it's completely fine for me. I just I didn't even open it up completely. I just did the half level. Yeah, let's consider this as half. I did it like, damn, doing work with one hand is tedious. Yeah, pretty much I'm not using two hands now, so I could not get accuracy. But this is the setup. See, the upper limit, and this is here. So yeah, this is the ventilation I use for the city, and I'm damn comfortable with that pretty much. So yeah, this is how. Just wait a minute. So yeah, to summarize, the back, the chest protector, yeah, so this is one. It's kind of bulky, guys, and also yeah, ventilation is kind of okay, but I don't think, I mean, I've seen my own shares of level 2 armors, but this is level 1. Even though it's level 1, it's kind of similar rigidity as level 2, so that is commendable. But then again, for touring jacket, I don't think, you obviously need comfort also. So yeah, I mean, just look at this, look at the flexibility of the back armor, guys. So damn good. I mean, I never experienced this kind of comfort on any other level 2. I mean, I checked Rhinox, I checked Viatra. The back armor is damn comfortable, but the chest one is, yeah, it's very hard. You see, it's not as plush as the rear. The elbow one, standard D3O, so that is there, and I think that's there to it. So this is the rear. If you want the specs and everything, yeah, there are many guys who makes videos, guys, so I won't dwell into that. But I'm kind of disappointed in this design. I don't know if the video picks up or not. On the reflective panel, there are slight color degradations. Yeah, don't pin it on me. I never did anything. I used this jacket only for one ride. That's it, only for one ride. And in that ride, I immediately found out, you see how this angle comes up. That almost covers 15% of my review. So yeah, now I'm saying of the material side. Yeah, it also came with a rain liner. It is inside with along the seals and tags. Yeah, it's sad to see it go, and as usual, is adjustability. And this mechanism is not so easy, guys. I don't know if reviewers said it or not. This adjustability, I did it kind of, but it's not as easy as you expect it to be. So yeah, this is the NIRVIK V2, a bloody damn good jacket. But then again, I think people who are tall, only for people who have long torso lengths. If you have any custom tailor, professional tailor, I think you could cut off 1 inch. But still, guys, let's admit this is made for, I think, adventures and enduro bikes. So I don't think naked bikes or super sport guys will enjoy it. I mean, it's my mistake. I kind of purchased the wrong jacket. But for whatever the amount I paid for it, I pretty much like it. I damn like the product. So it's sad to see you go NIRVIK, but then again, when I buy an adventure bike, you'll be my jacket. This is like the third bucket, and this is the one I used to wash the bike. And here she is. Pretty clean. This time I exceptionally paid care to my rims mostly. So yeah, I clean the rims, shock region, and the underbody. Not detail wash, but I think pretty much enough. This is the kit. WD, clean, lube. I rerouted the, you see this quick shift cable. It previously used to be like this. It's kind of free actually, but then again, when maintenance time exists, that's a nightmare. So I rerouted it front. It's kind of risky of going into that plastic panel, but yeah, need to maintain the chain. I don't know why it rusted. I even lubed it. Let's see. This time I'll detailedly lube the chain because I already worked on my rims. We'll try to again rewash them after lubing the chain. So first step, WD-40. let the look at that. So applying WD-40 to the brush too, then later after you clean the chain, let the this muck and all settle. So I again reapply WD-40 to this. I mean, chain clean okay guys, but when it comes to removing the particles on the chain, WD-40 is just excellent. I never use a diesel, but I'm happy with WD-40. So now I applied the Kawasaki chain cleaner to this brush, and now also I will apply it to the chain because it's a degreaser, so it will remove the WD-40. So yeah, pretty much done. Oh, this is the thing I hate with Kawasaki, man. It's super thick, super thick. So I think, yeah, this is enough, guys. I mean, I'm not any racetrack driver, so I don't need any detailed presentation and maintenance. I just need to keep the chain in reasonable shape. Yeah, these exist, but then again, yeah, it's kind of rust. So these happened when last time I said, right, I was away and it's rained in my grandmother's house for 3 days and the bike got wet. And yeah, one mistake and lifelong rust. It's kind of going off little by little. Every time I loop, it's kind of becoming better. So in under 3 to 4 attempts, I think it will be fine.